Hey everyone, welcome to my room at the Miami International Airport Hotel. Now, I'm feeling good about this. The last time that I stayed here was 2016, 2017-ish, and it was pretty run down, but I am happy to see that renovations have been done, and this is nice. This is really nice, actually. A lot better than I was expecting, and yeah, so let's just start here in the main area. First of all, this hotel is the only one connected to the Miami International Airport. All the other airport hotels are off property, so this is the most convenient. So if this is not fancy enough for you, you're gonna have to go off property. But this is, I mean, for a night to stay before a flight or after a long flight like I'm doing right now, this is perfect. Got a huge bed here. The view isn't much to talk about, only because I'm on a low floor. I'll get to that in a moment, but all the furnishings are fairly new. This is 2026 as I'm recording this, April, sometime late April. And yeah, this is pretty funky. There's actually there's a twinge of style and design in here that did not exist back in 2016 and 2017, which is, like I said, it's making me feel pretty good. Got a huge TV, huge bed, as I already said, lots of space. I did pay a little bit more for a slightly bigger room. There are smaller rooms than this, but you know, this is for one person, for one night, not that bad. The bathroom kind of looks the same. It doesn't really look all that different from last time, but got a tub here and all the soaps and lotions and everything you need. Get the sink, very basic bathroom, mirror, huge mirror, toilet, and yeah, I'm liking this. There is no closet though. These doors are kind of messing me up a little bit. That's a door to another room. That is a door to another room. This is the entry door. That is the closet over here. So there's the closet isn't enclosed, which, I mean, it's not a luxury hotel, so you don't really need such a thing, I wouldn't think. But let me show you the view. And we are looking at the airport. Technically, this is an airport view. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see the tops of the aircraft there, the vertical stabilizers, American Airlines. Looks to be a 737-800 out there. If I had a higher floor, you'd be able to see more. The last time that I stayed here, I was up on a higher floor. I could see everything, but not now. Let me zoom out a little bit here, and you can see, I mean, if you look around the frame of this window, you can tell that this is an old property. It's been here a long time. This is not a new build, but you wouldn't know it just by looking in here like this. This is pretty nice. I'm just so glad they updated this because it's such a convenient hotel. Is this chocolate? No, it is coffee. In the mood for chocolate right now, I guess. Anyway, but if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. Basically, all you need to know is that this is the most convenient hotel for the Miami International Airport. And yeah, I'm running out of things to say because it's such a basic room, so I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.